Well, all that is straight ahead, but we start with the fight against COVID-19 as it enters a new chapter starting today. For the first time, 5 to 11-year-olds are eligible to roll up their sleeves and get protected. And with that comes a more cautious approach from leaders in handing out those doses. Brad Broders live at the Shelby County Health Department, where the first day of vaccinations for kids just wrapped up. And Brad, there's lots to unpack here.
Yeah, good evening, Rudy. This will be the primary place for those 5 to 11-year-olds to get vaccinated the next couple of days. For parents this afternoon on this historic vaccine day, they were not going to let this historic moment pass up that opportunity to get their children protected.
It means the world to me. It's a huge sense of relief.
Thursday afternoon, Brooke Dishman didn't throw away her shot to get Pfizer's COVID vaccine shots for her 7 and 8-year-old sons on the first day they were eligible.
We're looking forward to a return of some sort of normalcy.
Their vaccinations offered this mother additional peace of mind, especially ahead of the holidays.
It helps as far as visiting great-grandparents and not transmitting it, at least not as easily.
There are now 92,000 eligible 5 to 11-year-olds in Shelby County to get vaccinated. Through the next week, the Shelby County Health Department offering the vaccine during work and school hours between 8 and 4:30 will be the only large-scale public option for that age group.
These are children and their physiology is very different. So you have to take a little extra measure of care when you're doing them. That's why we're being conservative in our rollout.
City of Memphis Chief Operating Officer Doug McGowan said other public sites such as the Pipkin building are off the table for now for 5 to 11-year-olds until health leaders get a clearer idea on the type of doses arriving, which are administered in either the arm or thigh.
Clearly, if we have to do it in the thigh, a drive-through site's not appropriate for privacy, and we'll have to do that in a clinical setting.
As for Dishman, now that her youngest children's first doses are done, the mother is both grateful and relieved.
I just want to know that they are as safe as they possibly can be and healthy. That's my greatest concern.
Now, health leaders today also said they are working to expand access for parents countywide. That will take place next Friday and Saturday, where vaccines for 5 to 11-year-olds will be offered at both the Glenview and the Hickory Hill community centers from 2 to 7 p.m. That gives parents a little bit of a different time frame after work hours and after school options to get those age group vaccinated. Rudy?
All right, Brad. Well, this is a brand new thing for lots of parents, and lots of parents are still on the fence about this. So what did the health director have to say to those parents?
Yeah, Dr. Michelle Taylor this afternoon reiterated to those parents out there in the public that this went through one of the most rigorous safety trials for any vaccine in history, and that safety trial took part in large part less than a mile away by researchers at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Live in downtown Memphis, I'm Brad Broders reporting.
All right, Brad, thanks a lot.